we'll guide you through how to use Streamlabs for Facebook Live. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Streamlabs on your desktop and make sure you're logged into your account. You'll need to connect your Facebook account to Streamlabs. Click on the settings icon, which looks like a little gear in the bottom left corner, and then go to the Stream tab. Here, you will see different streaming platforms. Select Facebook Live. A pop-up will appear asking you to authorize Streamlabs to access your Facebook account. Follow the prompts to log in and give the necessary permissions. Once connected, you can set up your broadcast. Go back to the main screen of Streamlabs and click on the Go Live button. This will open a new window where you can configure the details of your stream. Enter a catchy title and description for your live stream. You can also select the privacy settings and choose where to post your live stream, like your timeline or a specific group or page. Next, you'll want to set up your scenes and sources. Click on Add Source to include things like your webcam, display capture, images, or text overlays. Make sure your audio is set up correctly by checking the mixer panel on the bottom of the Streamlabs interface. Adjust the volume levels for your microphone and desktop audio to ensure your viewers can hear you clearly. Before going live, do a quick test by clicking on Test widget in the settings to see how alerts such as follows and donations will appear during your stream. When everything looks good, hit the Go Live button again, and you're on your way. Once you're live, keep an eye on the chat to engage with your viewers. After you've finished, click End Stream in Streamlabs, and you're done. Don't forget to save your stream settings for future broadcasts. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.